Have you ever wondered, can what you eat really affect your brain health? The answer is a resounding yes. It's not just about fueling your body, it's about fueling your mind too. The food we consume plays a significant role in how our brain functions day to day. Certain nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and B vitamins are known to enhance brain health and improve cognitive functions. Eating a balanced diet rich in these nutrients can help protect the brain from damage, boost memory and concentration, and even slow down brain aging. It's fascinating, isn't it? The simple act of choosing what to put on your plate can have such profound effects on your brain health. But it's not just about individual nutrients, it's about the whole diet. Now let's dive into the world of brain-boosting foods and discover how they can improve your overall brain health. First on our list is fatty fish, a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids which are essential for brain health. These special fats are key players in maintaining brain health, being integral to the structure of our brain cells and also playing an important role in inflammation and memory. In fact, studies have shown that people who consume more of these fats have sharper minds and experience less mental decline as they age. This is because omega-3 fatty acids help slow down the rate of cognitive decline, enhancing memory retention and promoting overall brain health. Now let's talk about where you can get these beneficial fats. Fatty fish, such as salmon, trout, and sardines, are some of the best sources. These fish are packed with these beneficial fats, making them an excellent choice for those looking to boost their brain health. So don't forget to add some fatty fish to your diet for a healthy brain. Scene script. Next up are blueberries, packed full of antioxidants that delay brain aging and improve memory. Allow me to introduce you to the little yet mighty blueberry. This berry is a nutritional powerhouse, bursting with antioxidants known as flavonoids. These flavonoids are the key players in brain health, protecting it from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can contribute to brain aging and neurodegenerative diseases. But how do they enhance memory, you ask? Well, the antioxidants in blueberries stimulate the flow of blood and oxygen to the brain. This not only keeps the brain fresh and alert, but also fortifies brain cells, improving memory and cognitive function. Studies have shown that diets rich in blueberries can improve or delay short-term memory loss. They can even reduce genetic and environmental risk factors for brain diseases. So the next time you're looking for a nutritious snack, remember the humble blueberry. It's not just a fruit, it's a brain-boosting marvel. So why not grab a handful of blueberries for your next snack? Another brain-boosting food is turmeric, a spice well known for its numerous health benefits. This golden spice is a staple in many cuisines around the globe, and it's brimming with compounds that can give your brain a healthy boost. The true hero here is curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric. This powerful compound can cross the blood-brain barrier, a highly selective semi-permeable border that protects the brain from harmful substances. But curcumin doesn't just cross this barrier, it works its magic once it's on the other side. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound. These properties help in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, which are linked to several brain diseases. By fighting these factors, curcumin can potentially delay brain-related diseases and improve overall brain health. So don't shy away from adding a dash of turmeric to your meals. This humble spice can bring a world of goodness to your brain and your overall health. Now let's talk about broccoli, a powerhouse of antioxidants and vitamins. This green veggie is often dubbed a superfood, and for good reason. Loaded with antioxidants, broccoli works overtime to combat oxidative stress in the body. You see, our brains are particularly vulnerable to this stress, which can lead to cognitive decline and neurological diseases. Antioxidants in broccoli help to neutralize these harmful effects, giving your brain a fighting chance. But that's not all. Broccoli is also rich in compounds called glucosinolates. When we digest these compounds, they break down into bioactive agents, including sulforaphane, which has been shown to support brain health. This potent compound not only reduces inflammation, but also aids in brain recovery following injury or trauma. Furthermore, broccoli is a great source of vitamin K, believed to support brain health and enhance cognitive functions. All these factors combined make broccoli a true brain-boosting hero. So make sure to include broccoli in your diet for a healthy, functioning brain. Next on our list is dark chocolate, a delicious treat that's also great for your brain. Yes, that's right. This delightful indulgence is packed with a host of brain-boosting components. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are flavonoids? These are a type of antioxidant that have been shown to have numerous health benefits. Interestingly, the flavonoids in chocolate gather in the areas of the brain that deal with learning and memory, They stimulate the neurons, enhance their connections, improve blood flow, and ultimately boost memory and slow down age-related mental decline. Not to mention, the small amount of caffeine present in dark chocolate can also enhance brain function in the short term. So the next time you reach for a sweet treat, consider dark chocolate. It's a guilt-free delight that does more than just satisfying your sweet tooth. So don't feel guilty about indulging in a piece of dark chocolate. It's not only delicious, but it's also good for your brain. Now that we've covered some of the best foods for boosting brain health, it's over to you. We've taken a journey through the wonderful world of brain-boosting foods, a journey that began with the understanding that what we eat significantly affects our brain health. It's a connection that's too important to ignore, and we've highlighted just a few of the incredible foods that can support optimal brain function. Let's quickly recap the main points. We started with fatty fish, a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids that are key for brain health. These fats are beneficial for learning and memory, and they can also help to slow mental decline. Next, we delved into the power of blueberries. These little fruits are packed with antioxidants that delay brain aging and improve memory. They're a sweet treat that's not just delicious, but also beneficial for your brain. We then explored the benefits of turmeric, a spice that's been celebrated for its medicinal properties for centuries. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, can cross the blood-brain barrier and has been shown to directly enter the brain and benefit the cells there. Our journey continued with broccoli, a highly nutritious vegetable. It's loaded with antioxidants and vitamin K, which is believed to support brain health. It's a versatile vegetable that can easily be incorporated into your diet. But remember, it's not just about incorporating these foods into your diet, it's about maintaining a balanced diet overall. Your brain, like the rest of your body, needs a mix of nutrients to stay healthy. Remember, your brain is a powerful organ that deserves the best nutrition. So give these foods a try and see the difference they can make. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, stay sharp.